everyone, searching for a luxury 2 BHK rental flat in a prime Mahadevapura Bangalore location. Without burning your pocket, welcome to this beautifully designed flat in Mahadevapura. It's just offering stylish living, a peaceful balcony, and one of the lowest rents in the area. Let's take you inside your next dream home. Step into this beautiful attached balcony, airy, open, and perfect for your little escape, whether it's sipping chai in the evening, reading a book, or just enjoying the breeze. From the balcony, we step into the spacious living area, well-lit, cozy, and ideal for relaxing with your family or entertaining guests. And this is your separate restroom. Each and every restroom have geysers, and it's all cleanly done. Then right side you have kitchen and left side is your bedroom, with attached one more balcony. Overall flat you have great ventilation for refreshing atmosphere. This spacious master bedroom has large windows and ample storage space, and each and every rooms you have wardrobes. Then, this is a gated community apartment, so you feel safe and secure. This apartment comes with ambiances like 24/7 water supply, 24/7 power backup, 24/7 lift available, 24/7 security available, swimming pool, gym, kids play area, clubhouse, party hall, and parking. Here's the modular kitchen, designed for efficiency with plenty of storage. There's also a separate utility space for your washing machine and daily chores. Now let's talk about the most important part. Pricing. This beautiful 2 BHK rental flat is available for rent at just $35,000 plus $5,000 for maintenances, with a deposit of 1.5 lakhs. It's a ready-to-move flat, available for both family and bachelors. Nearby locations: Bagamain Tech Park, VR Mall, Phoenix Mall, Metro Station, Railway Station, more hypermarket, schools, hospitals, and colleges. If anyone interested in this flat, please contact this number or WhatsApp this number. It's available for both families and bachelors. Your dream home is just a call away, and ensuring a premium lifestyle for you and your family. This flat comes with the 2 ventilation bedrooms, offering big space, in wardrobes, and large windows. It's just blend of comfort, convenience, and a prime location. Okay, all thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, leave comment below. Okay, see you again next video. Bye.